So we're going to be working on a project. I have this wood plaque from the Dollar Tree. And we're going to start off by painting it with chalk paint from the Dollar Tree. So let's get started. This is the first coat. I tried to do like nice long strokes so you wouldn't see so many strokes, but I mean it's wood, so underneath. So I shouldn't have to do the back, but I'm thinking about it and I don't know if maybe I need another coat. I'm gonna let this dry and before we attach the star. I'm thinking about what color to do for the star. I do have a wood stain. Because in here I do have some fall decorations, but they're going to be swapped out. But there's a lot of like wood, natural wood, so I'm thinking about maybe just staining the star and it's going to be on top. I know it has a hole, but I'll probably put the hole upwards like that way. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. So we're gonna let it dry and then we'll come back and finish. Okay, so we are gonna be covering this beautiful butterfly from the Dollar Tree with jute cord. I'm going to cover the whole butterfly and it is actually going to be the header for my little chalkboard. And I will be using this Monvic glue gun. It comes with this lovely stand. It has the silicone little cup here, so if glue drips down, it's easy to clean and it won't go on your table or your surface. This kit came in this box right here. I got it from Amazon. I'm going to leave the link below. It's 40 watts. It also came with plenty of clear glue sticks and these glittery, colorful ones, which are really, really nice. So let's get started. Okay, so I have put down just an old box that's recycling so I don't get any glue on my plastic tablecloth. And I have the glue gun here. Now see, I'm holding it and pulling it out, but if you have a table that can handle the suction, then you won't have to do that. Alright, so we have our butterfly here. The glue gun is on. Let me just show you guys. It has a little light there so you know when it's on. So we're just going to give it a minute to heat up. Place that back there like so. Let's open this jute cord. Sorry if the lighting is not the best. It is quite gloomy outside today. Now I do wish that this jute cord was a little bit bigger, but it's fine. It is so fine. Oh, look at that. It's like a burnt end. So yeah, I wish it was like way thicker. Oh, this one is so thin. But let's see. Okay, it looks like it is warm. Gotta kind of work fast. If it's moving slow, it's because I'm ready. I mean, this is a little messy, but I think it'll do fine for what we're going for. And I don't think you really see the glue too much. So the thing about any glue gun is the glue. Okay, it's coming along. And I do want to show you guys another feature of this glue gun, which is actually this little kickstand, which I think is going to work better for this project, since I'm going to have this in my hand most of the time. It'll be better just to put the little kickstand on it, because we won't be putting it down too much. Okay, I love it when a plan comes together. I really, really, really do. I'm not concerned if any glue gets anyplace else right now, because yay, it's working. putting the jute on the butterfly. I love it. It looks a little rustic. I'm gonna let it completely just dry and then get some of the little excess hairs and where you can see the jute. But it looks really good, and this glue gun was the best. It did not overheat. It did not cut off. It did not give up. Actually, my camera cut off. It stopped recording. I don't know why. But this glue gun did what it needed to do, and I'm very happy with that. We're also going to use that again to glue this on to the chalkboard. Now, we're going to do another coat of chalk paint on the board just because it is it's actually just not kind of enough, so we're gonna do that again. So I like it. I know to some people it may look crazy, but I like that texture. All right, and this is our final project. Here is the board. It is absolutely adorable. I have the twine. I have it on a little clear Dollar Tree hook. And it definitely fits really nicely here. And I like it. So thanks for watching the video. If you like to see more content, please subscribe. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up and comment down below.